In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer money from a bank account to PayPal. By the end, you'll know how to move money into your PayPal balance using either the PayPal app on your phone or the PayPal website on a computer. Start by opening the PayPal app or going to paypal.com and signing in. If you're on a computer, make sure you're logged in before you proceed. You need to have a funding source connected, so if you haven't linked a bank or card yet, we'll do that first. On the app, tap the three-line menu in the top left, then scroll down to Add Banks and Cards. On the website, head to the Wallet section to find the same options. You only have to set this up once. After that, it'll be ready for future transfers. To link your bank, you can enter your details manually by choosing Add a Bank and typing in the routing and account numbers you'd find on a check. If you prefer a faster setup, choose your bank from the list and sign in with your bank credentials to connect instantly. You can also add a debit or credit card by entering the card number, expiration date, and security code. Keep in mind, for adding money to your PayPal balance, you'll typically use a linked bank or a debit card, while credit cards are usually for paying at checkout. Once your bank or card is linked, go back to the home screen and tap your PayPal balance. On the website, select your balance in the wallet view. This is where you'll move money into PayPal. Tap Add Money. You'll be asked where the funds should come from. Choose your linked bank account or your debit card, then pick the specific account if you have more than one. If you see a fee listed for instant debit transfers, that's normal. Bank transfers are usually free but slower, while debit can be instant with a small fee. Enter the amount you want to transfer. You can pick a preset like $10 or $100 or type in a custom amount. Review the details carefully and confirm the transfer. Now, wait for the funds to arrive. Debit card transfers are typically instant. Bank transfers can take up to 3 business days, and holidays or weekends may slow things down. If PayPal or your bank flags anything for security review, it may take a bit longer. Once the money lands in your PayPal balance, you're ready to shop online, send money to friends and family, or pay with PayPal across apps and websites. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more PayPal tips and tutorials.